Good morning and happy Wednesday. So today we're moving on to our new topic, which is inequalities. And specifically today we're going to be talking about writing inequalities. We're going to be looking at different graphs and we're going to have to figure out what inequality they represent. So inequalities use the greater than or less than symbol. But what we have to figure out is whether or not we're going to use a greater than or less than symbol with a line underneath it or without a line underneath it, because they mean different things. So let's look at this one right here. So if you see, the number that we're talking about is 8 because there's a circle around the 8 and the line is shaded in towards the 10 and the numbers that are greater than 8. So we know that x, this is representing x or any number that is greater than 8. Okay, so this could be 9, 10, 11, 12, numbers that aren't even on the number line. Any number that's greater than 8. Now, if you notice, this dot is open. The open dot means 8 does not make the sentence true, which means that it doesn't include 8. It has to be a number greater than 8. It's not 8 and numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's all the numbers after 8, not including 8. Okay, so my answer for this one would just be x is greater than 8 because my dot is open. Now let's look at the next one. Here I have my circle over the 5, so I know this is going to, x is going to have to do with the number 5. And if I notice, it's shaded towards all the numbers that are less than 5. So I know that x has to be a number that is less than 5. But now if I look, the dot over the 5 is closed. It's shaded in, which means 5 does make the sentence true. It means all 5 and all the numbers that are less than 5. So I'm going to put a line underneath to represent the shaded dot. So if you notice, when the dot is not shaded, there's no line underneath the greater than or less than symbol. When the dot is shaded, there is a line underneath the greater than or less than symbol.